Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make breadcrumbs in few easy steps. So we need white breads for it. You can also use brown breads if you want. Now heat a tawa and place the breads on it. After that, toast the breads until both the sides turn golden brown. Just like this, flip the breads one by one, and as you can see I'm done with this. Now cool down the breads for few minutes. Then make small pieces of the breads. After that, put the pieces in the mixing jar and grind it. So here you can see our breadcrumbs are ready. You can make cutlets, nuggets and many more food items using this. I'm keeping these breadcrumbs in an airtight container for using it later. You can store it in an airtight container and keep it in the refrigerator for up to 10 days. I hope the video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.